All right, moving on to the next page. Below is a table showing velocities of different objects. And we want to know which object has the largest velocity. And this word large, I want to be clear what we mean by this in this problem is the absolute value. And if we go by that standard, the one with the largest velocity is E. Now, next question. You are driving at 50 kilometers an hour and you decide that you want to text your friend and that you are on your way to their house. It only takes you 4 seconds to type and send the text. How far would you be traveling during this careless period when you are not watching the road? Now I have to admit, I'm not going to make you do unit conversions on the exam, but this is a good little exercise to practice with. So first, to convert 50 kilometers per hour. To convert that to the unit we need, which is meters per second, I'm just going to give you the formula. You multiply by 1,000 and you divide by 3,600. And so when we go ahead and do that, we'll actually get the following. Whoops. And that gives us 13.89 meters per second. So now we can go ahead and calculate using the formula of D equals RT. If you'd like, you could use D equals 13.89 times T, which is 4. And that's going to give us, if I have this right, about 55.56 when I do this math. Yep, 55.56 meters. Of course, you can do it the other way, which is x equals v naught xt plus x naught. And there you will get the final x is going to be 13.89 times t, which is 4, plus x naught. And you wind up with the same 55.56 meters. All right. Now, question number 7. A jogger completes 8 laps around a 400-meter oval track in a total time of 13.5 minutes. We want to know the distance the person runs. Well, 8 laps times 400 meters. Distance is the total path covered. So that's going to be 400 times 8, which ends up being 3,200 meters, which is choice D. Now, if we ask for the displacement is, again, the change in position from the previous page, final minus initial position. So I start at some place, I'll call it 0, and I end up in the same place. So my displacement is in fact 0. So that's the second page, and we'll continue just cranking through these problems.